Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important financial topics, investing in stocks. Whether you're a college student, a working professional, or a retiree, it's never too late to start investing in the stock market. So, if you're a beginner and want to learn how to invest in stocks in 2023, you've come to the right place. Part 1. Why invest in stocks? Before we get started with the how-to, let's first talk about the why. Investing in stocks can help you grow your wealth over time. While stocks do come with some risk, over the long term, they have historically outperformed other asset classes like bonds and real estate. So, if you want to build long-term wealth, investing in stocks is a great way to do it. Part 2. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into how to invest in stocks, it's important to understand some basic concepts. First, stocks are ownership stakes in a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. Second, the stock market is where stocks are bought and sold. The most well-known stock market is the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, but there are many others as well. Finally, when you invest in stocks, you can make money through two methods: capital appreciation and dividends. Capital appreciation is when the price of the stock goes up, and dividends are payments that some companies make to their shareholders. Part 3. How to invest in stocks. Now that we have a basic understanding of stocks, let's talk about how to invest in them. 1. Open a brokerage account. The first step in investing in stocks is to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is a type of account that allows you to buy and sell stocks. There are many different brokerage firms out there, so make sure you do your research to find one that meets your needs. 2. Determine your investing strategy. Before you start investing in stocks, you need to determine your investing strategy. This means deciding how much money you want to invest, how often you want to invest, and what types of stocks you want to invest in. There are many different investing strategies out there, so do your research to find one that works for you. 3. Do your research. Once you have your investing strategy in place, it's time to do your research. This means researching different companies and stocks to find ones that align with your investing strategy. Look at a company's financials, earnings reports, and news articles to get a sense of how the company is performing. 4. Place your order. Once you've found a stock that you want to invest in, it's time to place your order. This means telling your brokerage firm how many shares you want to buy and at what price. Make sure you double-check all of the details before submitting your order. Part 4. Final thoughts. Investing in stocks can be a great way to build long-term wealth, but it's important to remember that it does come with some risk. Make sure you do your research and understand the basics before you start investing. And remember, investing is a long-term game, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stick with your strategy and stay patient. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and feel more confident about how to invest in stocks in 2023. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't.